Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my clothing boutique business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and take a look at my clothing store or clothing boutique business plan template, specifically the Word document. I'll show you the components of what's in it, the quantity of information, the structure, and so on. And then at the end of the video, of course, I'll go ahead and provide y'all with a link to purchase the clothing boutique business plan template if you are so interested. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate. I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement, the growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write your business plan as well as do your pro forma financial projections for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out my business plan writing books there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So I do have some education backing me up as well as real world experience in both writing as well as financial modeling and business in general. All right, enough about me. Let's talk about the start of the show, which is the Clothing Boutique Business Plan Template. So if you do buy the Clothing Boutique Business Plan Template, it does come with a Word document, customizable, which is this right here. And then it also comes with a financial model, which is right here. And I do go over this financial model in a separate tutorial. All right, so once you do open up the Word document, you'll be greeted with a title page. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they're going to move the word business plan down here, and then they're going to change out Clothing Boutique with either the company name or the company logo. Next page, title, table of contents. Once you add a little bit more meat to the bone, add your information, expand it a little bit, come back to the table of contents, click on it, click on Update Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and then all the information updates accordingly. The next page is going to be the executive summary page. I give you a great starting point for the clothing boutique summary, target market, financial highlights, and the funding request. The financial highlights, these three numbers here, comes from the financial model. So what you would do is you would update the financial model, follow the tutorial, and then you go to the projections tab, and the first three numbers here are going to be in line with the three numbers that you need to change there. All right, funding request. Like I said, this is how much money you need to get the party started. Just anywhere you see yellow, fill in, check out that area. Make sure you read through the whole template. Make sure you adjust it. Make sure it's yours. But the yellow areas I do recommend you take a look at. And then if you see words in parentheses, that is what I do ask you to go ahead and fill in with your own information. Next page is going to be your company summary and company description. So leading off, so it could be the clothing boutique summary. Product description, clothing accessories, structure is here, add your content as you see fit. Give you a good start with the competitive advantages, primary target market, pricing strategy. Hours of operations there for you, location, give you a good start with the location description. And then I also include just a basic strategic plan in the company summary section. And the strategic plan just tells the reader some of your business objectives that you want to attain in 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months. Industry research is already taken care of for you. It's right here. I get my information from IBIS World. I go to IBIS World, search clothing boutiques in the U.S., and then I'll take that information, summarize it, and include it in the template for you. Also, I've included the product segmentation that's up to date as of 2023. SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities, and threat. Information's already here for a starting point. Anytime you get to a smart art like this, you just click on it. Then there's a little arrow right here that you'd click on. Brings out a text box, and you just make your adjustments there. Next section is your structural organizational structure. It's got two components. It's got three components. It's got your ownership section, job responsibilities, and then also your organizational chart. Just go through it and again make it your own. Next section is your marketing section. Typically, clothing boutiques are going to have 3 marketing channels, which is going to be your traditional, your internet, and your social media. And I give you a great start on both, or all 3 rather. Next section is your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? Dollar amount here, your range for the length of the loans here, and then interest rates right here. Financial projections, it does come with a financial model, as I showed you earlier, and the financial projections are broken up monthly as well as quarterly. So for the first year, profit and loss, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, month 7 through 9, quarter 3, 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then finally we have the pro forma income statement, which is a summary of your revenues, your costs, your net income annually for the next 5 years. And to get all these financial models, what you would do is you would go through the financial model here. You'd enter your information in the darker colored cells. Once that happens, then your pro forma income statement would update, as well as your profit and loss for the last 12 months, and you just copy and paste the charts into the Word document with your information. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up and call it a day. So in summary, if you do buy my Clothing Boutique Business Plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document, which is what I just showed you. It also comes with a basic financial model that's customized for the industry. I do have a separate tutorial for that product. It also comes with business plan template tutorials. So if you want to see some tutorials on how to fill out the various sections, I have it at this link right here. There are some limitations to my Clothing Boutique Business Plan template. First, it is not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. You do need Microsoft Word, and you also do need Microsoft Excel to make the changes. If you have any questions or concerns or comments about the Clothing Boutique Business Plan template before you buy it, feel free to give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. Be delighted to have a great conversation with you as to what you can expect when you do buy the Clothing Boutique Business Plan template. However, I do not offer free phone support after it is purchased. If you need some help with filling out the template, be delighted to do so. I do charge for that service though. All right, so if you do want to buy my Clothing Boutique Business Plan template, the link is right here. And if you don't want to mess with templates, you don't want to mess with tutorials, you just want somebody to fill out your business plan or to write a custom business plan for you, or if you just want a professional do your pro forma financial projections, I do offer those services, and my prices are right here for custom business plan writing, mentoring, and financial projections. Hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and have a great day. Thank you.